Hey traders, this is just a quick one on natural gas, gold, silver, and crude oil today. So let's start our analysis starting with natural gas. So what do we have here? As you can see, the natural gas has broken above 50 EMA and now created a 382 candle. Let me double check that if it's a valid 382 or not. Yes, as you can see, it is a 382 candle. So looking at that, I expect some bearish move here on this candle and we are above 50 EMA. Just wait for further bullish confirmation to take long trades and also check how the market opens, if it opens in gap or not. Wait until the market opens. Looking at that, we can expect market to move further up between this pink zone, and this pink zone is up to 4.996. And one more confluence we can see if you look at on daily time frame. Let's go on a daily time frame right here. So if you look at daily time frame, we can see the market is making highs, lows, highs, and lows, followed by an engulfing candle with a perfect entry condition. Looking at that, according to the daily time frame, the target would look like something like this, according to the engulfing candle here, and the fact we are above 50 EMA, it can still go up to 5.096. Just in case, wait for the next bullish confirmation. If the market opens in gap, let's say it just opens straight up, then these conditions of course would be invalid. Or if it opens below 50 EMA, that would be invalid. Only look for short trades once we have a break below 50 EMA. Let's check on capital.com. So similar condition here on daily time frame, we have this engulfing candle, but what I normally want to see on Oanda, we have a perfect engulfing candle. As you can see, this candle opens above this previous red candle. It's still a bigger candle, but according to my rules, I want to see this candle fully engulfed this previous candle. But looking at Oanda data, it still looked bullish to me as we are above 50 EMA and the market is making new highs, and we can possibly get a new high from this zone here. Check on 4 hour time frame. On 4 hour time frame, you can see we have an engulfing candle right here above 50 EMA. That 382 candle, this inverted hammer, would be an entry candle, but according to my strategy, I always place my target, my sell stop target below the candle, and in this case, my target wouldn't have been hit and market moved up and served me to hit my stop loss. And you'll learn all the strategies in my upcoming course. So not too long from today. According to this, just wait for the market to break above this pink zone just for the further bullish confirmation. Once we are above this pink zone, break and close above this pink zone, yes, I expect the market to move up. And if you look at on daily time frame, if I look at the targets according to the ATR, so on daily time frame according to the ATR, the entry candle would have been this candle, this green engulfing candle, and the target looks to me at 5.008. So according to the conditions, it looks bullish to me as we are above 50 EMA. Let's quickly check gold, silver, and crude oil really quickly. Here we can see, if you remember my previous video, how I take this entry. Let me quickly show you how I took this entry so that you guys know how to enter these sort of head and shoulder patterns. Once you see it, and you can take your trade on your own. Or we can expect a pullback between this zone. We might get a head and shoulder pattern from here. So I'm expecting gold to hit this zone, and from here I will look for sell trades. Okay, so perfect. So let me show you how I took this trade. Let me go back in my replay mode. The market was here, and what I normally want to see on head and shoulder pattern, I want to see a rejection which I got here, and then I want to see a engulfing candle, a pin bar or an engulfing candle or a 382 candle from this zone to take a short entry once I have a rejection of my left shoulder, which you got here. If the market would have moved up, then this entry condition would have been invalid, but we got a valid condition. Let's see what candle we get next. So if you look here, we didn't get any sort of entry condition and we are still between our under the zone. And if you look right here, we got an engulfing candle, and looking at that, I've set my target ATR plus few pips, which I do with my rules. And with that, if the ATR of this candle was 21, and you can see the target is 26 pips, like I add 5 pips with that. So it depends on what instrument you are trading. If I'm trading commodities, if I'm trading forex, I have my different targets, set in stone rules for that. But in this case, I have 26, and you can see the market easily hit our target. This is the power of taking entry with an entry condition. So looking at that, you can see how I took this trade. You can get all the set in stone rules in my course again, so do not worry about that. What to expect next from gold? As you can see, the market has broken above 50 EMA, and I'm still expecting market can still move up in this zone. And let's see what do we get from here. If we get a bearish candle from here, we can expect some $10 move, $10 to $15 move down. If we have a break above this zone, close above this zone, and we get two green candles, then I can expect some move, bullish move up from this zone. Just keep an eye on this pink zone, which is 2001, and it goes up to 2017. So if you have a rejection between this zone, we can expect some move down. And if we have a break and close above, then we can expect some move up. So let's quickly check silver. With silver, you can see we have some nice entry condition right here. And looking at that, I'm expecting some bullish moves from silver. And looking at the ATR, this was an entry candle right here, and the ATR of this candle is 40, 45, and 50 pips right here. So looking at that, I still expect silver to hit 26.281, from where we will look for a next bullish confirmation. It might come back down and we can get some bullish moves up. Only take short trades once we have a break below 50 EMA. Let's check crude oil. So with crude oil, we have broken below 50 EMA with this bearish candle, and then we had a retest done with this bearish candle, this red candle. And looking at that, I'm expecting some moves down, and we can still get red candle from here. We can get a touch of 50 EMA and red candle from here to take short trades. Just if the market opens above in gap, then of course the condition will be invalid. So that's all for the commodity market, guys. Any questions, buzz me on Instagram. I'll get back to you ASAP. I hope you had a nice weekend. I see you guys in the next video. Take care.